Welcome back to Roam Tips. If you're enjoying this content, please consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Remember, all the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is just my personal experience with the service. Today, we're taking a closer look at Optus, specifically their website at www.optus.com.au. Navigating a telecom website can often feel like wandering through a digital maze, but hopefully, this breakdown will provide some clarity. Optus is a major player in the Australian telecommunications market, offering a wide range of services from mobile plans and internet to entertainment bundles. Their homepage serves as a central hub for all these offerings, which can make it a bit overwhelming at first glance. However, with a little exploration, you'll find it's fairly well organized. Typically, you'll find highlighted deals and promotions front and center on the Optus website. These often change, so it's worth checking back periodically to see what's on offer. The main navigation bar usually categorizes services into sections like mobile, internet, entertainment, and business. This allows you to quickly jump to the area that's relevant to your needs. You might also see dedicated sections for 5G and NBN, National Broadband Network, information, reflecting the growing importance of these technologies in Australia. Scrolling down the homepage, you'll likely encounter various sections showcasing specific products and services. These might include details on the latest phone releases, information on different NBN plans, or bundles that combine multiple services for a discounted price. Optus frequently uses visuals and graphics to highlight key features and benefits, making it easier to grasp the information quickly. You can expect to find calls to action prompting you to learn more or shop now, directing you to more detailed pages. Often, the Optus website also includes a section dedicated to support and help. This area is usually a valuable resource, providing answers to frequently asked questions, troubleshooting guides, and contact information. You might find links to online chat support, community forums, or store locators. The footer of the website typically contains additional information about Optus, such as their company history, legal details, and social media links. While the Optus website is generally well designed, it can sometimes feel a bit dense with information. Taking your time to navigate and explore each section will ultimately lead you to the information you're seeking. Remember to compare their offerings with other providers to ensure you're getting the best deal for your specific needs.